Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's go check out my air compressor regulator setup. All right, so here's my regulator setup. Comes down from my air compressor with a giant hose, goes up in here, just like that. You can adjust the pressure right here, turn it, increase your pressure, decrease your pressure, lock it. It's made in Korea, so it's high quality. It's got a good water filter separator. It catches a lot of water. See that mist blowout? I use this thing every single day, all day long, and it has not broken on me yet, and it has been here for at least 3 years. I put an angle fitting in there just like that. That way the gauge faces towards me. It's a good tip so I can just see it from far away. Got all this yellow brass in here. That way it's nice and strong. This thing's got plenty of power, you can see here. Takes off nuts and bolts, no problem. Flows plenty of air through that 3/4 inch pipe. Definitely get the bigger one. Go for the 1/2 inch or the 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch probably overkill, but that's the one I got. The Pneumatic Plus air regulators seem pretty good at this point. I'll check you out on the next one. Later.